Today, you gotta eat beef satay with peanut sauce and crunchy noodle salad. It'll blow your mind. Well, not really blow your mind. It's a metaphor, but I guess you knew that. The first thing we're going to do is make the marinade. Now, of course, with marinades, the rule is usually the longer you can marinate the meat, the better. So 24 hours is ideal. The morning before cooking in the evening is good, and 1 or 2 hours is okay. To a bowl, we're adding a 1/4 cup of light coconut milk, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of Thai red curry paste, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. This is the secret ingredient that helps tenderize the steak. And we've got 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. We'll just put that aside for a minute. We're just going to trim the steak up and cut it into pieces suitable for the satay skewers. Just trim the fat off.
Cut the steak into 2 to 3 centimetre lengths suitable for skewering.
Just going to put those in the bowl with the ingredients from the marinade. And we're going to get in there with our hands and mix it all up. Lovely and squelchy, very textural. Right, that's all done. We're just going to put some Glad wrap and put it in the fridge until we're ready to thread the meat onto the skewers. Right, the Glad wrap's on in the fridge until we're ready to thread. What I recommend is you get a dish and you get some satay skewers, enough for what you need. Just put it in and let them soak. Because I'm going to barbecue these today, so that helps them from stop burning. So that's a good thing. If you're just doing it on a griddle on the stove, you probably don't need to do that step. Now we're going to make the peanut sauce, the very important peanut sauce. Firstly, we're going to go 2/3 of a cup of coconut cream, 1 tablespoon of Thai red curry paste, 1/3 of a cup of natural peanut butter, crunchy, 1.5 tablespoons of honey, teaspoon of dark soy, salt, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cider vinegar, and 1/3 of a cup of water. We're just going to take that over to the stove and we're going to put that on mild heat and give it a stir for about 5 minutes and she'll be done. Let's rock.
Stir regularly until the sauce thickens.
We're going to make the dressing for the salad.
Finally, chop the peanuts before adding all the dressing ingredients to a small bowl.
1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of finely chopped peanuts, and the juice of 1 lime. Juice of 1 lime. We're just going to give that a bit of a stir. We're just going to shred the green and red cabbage and grate the carrot, and we're going to put it in a bowl. I'm using my latest gadget just to justify me buying it off the special bench at the supermarket. So here we go with the mandolin. Of course, you can finally shred it with a knife, no problems. So putting the cabbage in the bowl. Let's do the red cabbage. Cabbage in the bowl. It's in the bowl. I'm just going to chop the spring onions. I've already chopped the mint. I'm going to add that to salad. I've got the noodles and the dressing here. And when we're ready to serve, we'll add the noodles and the dressing.
Mix all the salad ingredients together.
We're all set. We've got the salad all sliced and prepared. We've got the noodles to go on top and the dressing, some peanut sauce for the satays. The last thing to do is to thread the satays and cook them on the barbecue. There you go. The satays are all threaded, ready for cooking.
Cook the satays on a medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes aside or until cooked through. Time to serve it up.
It's your gotta eat time. Let's try some of this delicious crunchy noodle salad and beef satay with peanut sauce. First, some salad. That's delicious. Let's try some of the beef satay with peanut sauce. It blew my mind! Another great recipe from the famous You Gotta Eat kitchen. Try it, it'll blow your mind. Help me out, give me a like, subscribe, ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Leave me a comment. I'd love to hear what you got to say. And remember, you gotta eat. Ciao! Well, here we are, it's Tuesday, and we're making videos again, and we haven't got the meat out. There you go. Only goes in one way. Have to redo the other bits. It's good. That blows my mind. It really did blow my mind. It really did blow my mind. God, I'm stupid. Ciao. I have to get the smoke out of here soon. That'll have to be enough.